Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word druthers in depth. First, the definition. Druthers means an informal term meaning one's preference or choice. Think of it simply as your personal pick or what you'd rather have. If there are multiple meanings, include them briefly here with a clear separation. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Druthers traces back to the late 19th century as a contraction of I'd rather in American English. Over time, it's been used by casual speakers, particularly in the United States. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So, how do you use druthers in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. I had my druthers. I would spend the weekend at the beach instead of working. Correct example 2. If I had my druthers, I'd choose tea over coffee every morning. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to druthers my homework, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using druthers correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Druthers means an informal term meaning one's preference or choice. It comes from the late 19th century contraction of I'd rather, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with druthers down in the comments. Get creative, and if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.